What's up guys, Daryl from Rockville, and today I want to quickly go over the SB12M speaker bag by Rockville. Make sure you check in the description box to see if your speaker fits in it, but it should fit most 12-inch speakers. Now this thing features extra thick padding, it's water resistant, a really large pocket for accessories, and the best thing of it all is it has a trolley handle. So you can actually just pick it up and roll it with you when you need to go to your gig. So you have a handle on the top and on the bottom. So 2 people can carry it, and also there are sling handles right here, so you can carry it by yourself if you need to. So it comes with an extra piece of foam padding so you have some more protection when you put your speaker in. And so when you're throwing your speaker into the bag, make sure you know where the top is, and you can identify that by the trolley handle. Okay, extra padding, throw that on the bottom. Let me show you actually the double zipper action we have here, it's really nice. And then we have some Velcro here, so you can really secure the top of it, put the handle through the loop, stand it up. So if you're looking for a speaker bag for your 12-inch speaker that has extra thick padding and is easy to transport, look no further than the SB12M by Rockville.